Meaning of dolmen.
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 Dolmen. A dolmen is a type of ancient megalithic structure consisting of large stones supporting a horizontal slab. The word dolmen comes from the Breton language and means stone table. Dolmens were typically used as tombs or burial chambers during the Neolithic period, which lasted from around 4000 to 2500 BCE. They can be found in various parts of the world, including Europe, Asia, and Africa. These structures are considered to be significant archaeological and historical artifacts, providing insight into the beliefs and practices of ancient civilizations.